Is it possible to install the Google Play Store app on a Samsung Smart TV?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a common question many Samsung Smart TV owners ask. Is it possible to install the Google Play Store app on a Samsung Smart TV? Let's delve into it and find out.
What's the pre-installed App Store on Samsung Smart TVs?
First, it's crucial to understand that Samsung Smart TVs come with their own pre-installed App Store, known as Samsung Smart Hub. This is an app marketplace designed specifically for Samsung Smart TVs. It's here that you'll find a plethora of applications, varying from video and music streaming services, games, and other utilities.
Can you install Google Play Store directly?
Here comes the answer to the main question. Unfortunately, you cannot install the Google Play Store on a Samsung Smart TV directly. This is because Samsung Smart TVs operate on Samsung's own operating system, Tizen, and the Google Play Store is designed for devices running on Android OS.
Are there any workarounds?
Now, you may be wondering, is there a workaround? Can we somehow get Android apps on a Samsung Smart TV? While there's no way to install the Google Play Store directly onto a Samsung Smart TV, you can use an Android TV box or a similar device, like a Chromecast or NVIDIA Shield, which runs on Android and thus can access the Google Play Store. You connect these devices to your Samsung Smart TV to stream content from Android apps. So, while it's not possible to directly install the Google Play Store on your Samsung Smart TV, there are other methods to access Google Play Store apps. Remember, your Samsung Smart TV already comes with its own store packed full of apps designed for your device's operating system. However, if you're keen on using Android apps, consider the options we discussed. We hope this information has been helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions.